Ocean Park.
Big ocean. A lot of people are watching here, I think. The ocean.
It's good to swim, I think, yeah?
It's cold now. People are stopping there.
I mean summer.
Observing. There's a ship there.
But I think it's not allowed.
Yeah, of course, it's not allowed.
Yeah, because there's no anything that you can sit down or you can... A lot of stones.
Yeah, it's cold.
Why there's a lot of stones there?
It will wash away all the soil. Nothing can.
It's not allowed to go there, I think.
It's allowed, but it will be very fast full.
You see a lot. Oh, very big stone. Oh,
See there.
there's a big stone.
It's very, very strong wind.
Oh my!
Very strong wind. Yeah.
It's very cold.
Yeah, very, very hard weather. Hard weather.
Oh, all this stone. I think it's possible the water go here, Libby. No? Because it look like it's getting mold and
depends the height of the wave.
mold and very. It look like it's not safe to walk there. And here it's a farming area. Farming area there. Still farming area there also. Oh, it's a very big farm.
The fear is a fear.
Yeah, fear.
Flash fear.
Oh,
Fear.
oh, it's a
Flashlight.
rich soil.
Is it for the boats? It's a.
I think they will make a farmhouse over here. They ready the soil. That's a one house there.
Oh, sign fear.
Oh, museum.
If you want to stop, then it's possible to stop.
It's cold.
It's cold, but it's very sad on the